All right. I think this is it. I think we're set up. Welcome to Loki Lights, Parksville. Today, we got the internet. Well, we've had the internet actually for a couple days, but today we got our servers up and running. We have our computers all talking to one another. We're back to editing, which is just backing up. And especially with all this new stuff. Look at it all. There's just, You know what, come on in nice and close. Let's take a look at all these new speed demon toys. But first, intro! Okay, let's kick things off with the T2 Pro, the high power, heavy duty 1600 lumen flashlight. All right, is everybody still awake? I don't know about you, but I find unboxing videos ridiculously boring. So what I was thinking is instead of sitting in the shop, opening boxes, Candace and I would take out Cena and some of these new flashlights, like the Adventurer Max. Oh, this headlamp. Oh, yeah. Let's go see what they do in the real world instead of just looking. Yeah, they all come with chargers. They all come with batteries. So, let's do this. What do you think? I'm ready. All right. Seems like a good time to talk about the Adventurer Lite. That's L-I-T-E. Although it is also very light. This is one of the only flashlights with the batteries built in, although it does come with a charger. It's a flashlight. Yeah, it is, but it's also a lantern, which is pretty cool, I think. Adventurer Light, Adventurer Light. Highlighting that flex. There you go. I have the Adventurer Max. I was just charging my phone with it, which is kind of cool. Not only is it a lantern, not only is it a flashlight, not only does this apparently repel mosquitoes.
Yes.
Apparently. We haven't had the chance to try that yet.
It's too cool.
We're going to. And then it has morning mode, which is red and blue.
It's going to get us into an awful lot of trouble, I feel like.
Yeah. But pretty cool. That's gonna get people's attention for sure. I mean, if you're in trouble, that's attention will be had. There you go. Using the T2 Pro here. It wants to so bad. There you go.